So at number 4, we have trusting the network. What we see a lot is customers just trusting whatever goes into the network, and trusting the network give them guarantees. And typically, that's not the case, because even cellular networks can be spoofed. There are some attacks there. And multiple attacks exist also on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. A couple of them have been released recently on Bluetooth. So you just cannot just trust that. So what you want is architect your system by just assuming the network is not secure. And you want to build security on the upper layers, on your application layers. And ideally, you'll use a root of trust to secure that communication. So just as an example, we were talking about cellular networks. You might have heard of INC catchers or Stingray devices, and those can actually spoof your telco's provider network. So you think you're connecting to your operator, but you are actually connecting to attacker, who will not only be able to eavesdrop on your communication, but they will also be able to modify the data that you send. So this is something that we actually use during our evaluations, and we can actually spoof data coming from medical devices, for example. And that's definitely a big security risk if you just trust your network.